about what is perspective art. Okay, so perspective art is very simple. It's about how we look at different things. Okay, so just imagine a short person looking at a tall person. So when a short person is looking at a tall person, he sees things differently. But when a tall person is looking at a short person, he sees things differently. Same like how we see objects, even animals, birds, insects also see, right? But when they see it in an entirely different manner. Okay, because it is their perspective. So perspective will keep on changing from person to person based on whichever kind of organism you are, or what is your height, or how small or how big you are. It keeps on changing. Okay, so that is basically perspective. So now in perspective, okay, so if you might have visited the website, we have the basics of perspective drawing, right? There were two kinds of perspective that were taught. That was, one was 1 point perspective and second one was 2 point perspective. And in perspective, there are two things called as horizon and the vanishing point. Okay, so I'll just show you a small picture of what is a horizon and what is a vanishing point. Okay, it is where the sky meets the water, or the sky meets the land. Okay, so from the name itself you can understand, right? Horizon line is a line, right? So here you can see a line right in the middle. Can you see where I'm moving my cursor? You can see a line, right? So this line, if you look above the line, this is the sky. If you look below the line, it's the water or the sea, right? So this is the horizon line. Okay, now there is something called as a vanishing point. Okay, so for that I'll show you another picture. So this is the vanishing point. Okay, because here you can see the road. Okay, the road is very fat, very thick. Okay, but as it is going very far, you can't see the road anymore. Okay, that is why we call them vanishing. You know what is vanish, right? Vanish means disappear. You can't see it anymore. So that is vanishing point. So for today's lesson, that is perspective art, these two things you have to know. Okay, one is horizon and one is the vanishing point. Okay, so we are going to do a very simple artwork. Okay, and if you spend your time and do it in a very detailed manner, okay, it is going to look absolutely beautiful. Okay, so I want you guys to take a fresh sheet of paper. Now we are going to make a frame first. Okay, so we are going to make a square. So let me show you. So only just focus on the square. I hope the square is in the screen, right? So you don't have to focus on anywhere apart from the, on the outside of the square. Just focus on the square. Okay, so now what we are going to do is, okay, we are going to start with a horizon line. Okay, so the pencil, if you're using a drawing pencil, so start using an HB pencil or H pencil. Use something very light. Okay, don't take the darker shades of pencil like the 4B or 8B now. Okay, but keep it aside, we will use it. So start making the horizon line. So exactly in the middle. Okay, I want you guys to make a line. So make a dotted line. Okay, don't make a straight line, because some of you, when you make a line, it can be very hard and the line can be dark. So in later it will be very difficult to erase it. So you can just make a dotted line. Okay, like this. Okay, it's very light. So if you, let me bring it more closer so you can see how light I've made the dotted line. So can you see how the dotted lines are, right? So make the dotted lines like this. And now let's mark a point. Okay, right in the middle, let's mark a point. Okay, so what is that point called? Vanishing point, right? Yeah, yes, exactly in the middle. Okay, so you don't have to measure or anything, but according to you, when you observe, if you feel that it's the middle, you can go ahead. You don't have to measure. Okay, so right in the middle, just make a small dot, just so that you can see. Don't make it dark, just make a small dot. Okay, now what we are going to do is, we are going to make dotted lines. Okay, so from this vanishing point itself, we are going to make dotted lines, okay, on all angles, like this, like this, like this, like this, just like how a clock moves on different direction, we are going to make dotted lines, okay. So keep making dotted lines like that. So let me tell you what we are drawing today, okay, in perspective art. So imagine you're a person and you are in a forest, okay. You're deep in a forest and you look upwards and you can only see trees around you, okay, because in a forest there will be completely trees, okay. And you're just looking up and it's night time and you can see the moon on the top, okay. So how do you view it from your eyes? Okay, that is exactly what we are going to draw today in this small particular box. Okay, so you are in a forest. Okay, you're stuck in a forest at night time and you're looking up to the sky and you can see a moon. Okay, a very beautiful moonlight you can see. That is what we are going to draw using these dotted lines. Okay, it's going to be very simple and very easy. That's why I made you do the dotted lines in the start. Okay, so now what we are going to do is we are going to draw the trees first. Okay, so I want you guys to choose a pencil which is darker now. Okay, so choose a pencil of maybe 4B or 6B grade. Okay, and then you can start making the trees. So these dotted lines, right? So these dotted lines you can use to make the trees. Okay, and remember one thing, when you're making the trees, okay, so when you're starting from the bottom, okay, you can make the wood look very thick, and as you go upwards it should start becoming thinner and thinner. Okay, so I will draw and show you so you can understand. So on the vanishing point, okay, on the vanishing point is where the moon is gonna be. Okay, so we are going to, okay, let's erase that vanishing point now. So if you're done with the dotted lines, let's erase the vanishing point. So you take an eraser, okay, so just erase in a circular manner like this so we can know where we are going to place our moon. Very simple. Okay, we made a square. Okay, we made dotted lines. Okay, like this dotted lines we made to the vanishing point. Okay, now erase the middle portion. Okay, and we are going to start making the tree. So observe how I'm making the trees. Okay,